Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make Mexican flan. The ingredients for the caramel, and these are the ingredients for the flan. Preparation: use a grater to remove the thin colored skin, that is the zest of the orange, without removing any of the soft white pith that lies underneath. Also, preheat the oven to the temperature shown with a roasting tin or a large tray inside it. The method: we are on stage 1, let's prepare the caramel. So add sugar and water to a heavy bottom saucepan. Allow the sugar to melt slowly on medium heat. Then lift and swirl to dissolve the sugar. Remember, do not stir. Now dip a brush in water and brush down the sides of the saucepan to dissolve the sugar crystals. Then gently swirl the saucepan for even distribution and coloring. Note: do not burn the caramel. Immediately take the saucepan off the heat as soon as the caramel turns amber. The darker the caramel turns, the more bitter it will taste. Immediately remove from the fire as soon as the mixture turns light golden brown, and add 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water. Caution: be very careful when adding the water as the mixture will splash. Now pour the sugar caramel into a large loaf tin. Be very careful when adding the caramel as it is very hot. Then lift and swirl to coat the sides and set aside to cool. We now move on to the next stage. Let's prepare the Mexican flan. So add the eggs to a large mixing bowl and whisk. Now add in the listed ingredients to the same mixing bowl, that is the whole milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, a pinch of salt, zest of 1 orange, and vanilla extract. Whisk until the mixture is well combined. Now slowly pour the flan mixture into the loaf tin over the set caramel. Then cover with foil. Place the loaf tin into the roasting tin or the large tray which is inside the oven. Fill it with hot boiling water until it reaches halfway up the side of the loaf tin. Then bake for about 50 minutes or until the flan is set. Then remove from the oven when done and set aside on a wire rack to cool completely. The Mexican flan is done when the sides are set and there is a slight jiggle in the center when shaken slightly. Then cover and refrigerate overnight. Before serving, loosen the sides and tip it over onto a serving dish. And there you have it, a light and creamy Mexican flan. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on the screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet.